Quickly get to Nimesh in the meantime, talk about D Street Chatter as we're getting you more contours and more updates on that important story. But Nimesh is here with us as always with all the insights and the buzz from dealing rooms. What a good day, Nimesh. After a long time, I guess you would not be hearing complaints. How's the Josh out there? Is it high today?
Absolutely, the Josh is high, Surbina. Clearly, this is called a trending day, right? After a gap we've just built on, and the markets are at days high. And the good part is there is a lot of participation now in the broader market stocks. The mid-cap index is up nearly 2%, and a lot of individual names are buzzing in trade. You know, a lot of the stocks are up 15, 18, 20% in today's market. So after a long time, we've seen such a big, a trending day, and a lot of individual stocks also participating on the upside. So clearly, that's something to cheer. Again, from an institutional flow perspective, for many days I've been saying that there is buying in the financial names, especially the private bank stocks. And again, the banks is leading the upside today. The index is up 1.5%, and a lot of flow seems to be very much active on the financial side, on the private bank names specifically. Now we are at a very crucial resistance of 22,800. If that gets taken out, and consistently if we close about those levels for the next couple of days, you might see further short squeeze and a further upside towards the expiry. So that's overall feedback. But clearly a trending day, and the fact is that there is a lot of momentum back in the broader market stocks today.
Okay, Nimesh, in terms of individual names, what are you picking up?
So the first stock on my list today is ITC Hotels. After a long time, some buying interest seems to be back on that name as well. The stock is up 5%. The volumes are on the higher side, and I believe one domestic insurance company has been an aggressive buyer in the last couple of days. So that's ITC Hotels, first stock. The second stock is Zomato. A big correction in that name from the highs of 300 to 200, 210. And now there are some buy flows at HNI desk. In fact, there is a very strong indication that maybe one large influential HNI investor has been an aggressive buyer in Zomato at these levels. So that's the buzz there. The third stock is IIFL Finance. Again, a stock which has been extremely beaten down, from the highs there. The stock is actually recovered from in today's days from the day's low. And also here, I understand the selling pressure from a large FI seems to be largely over. And also for IIFL Finance, there has been a buzz for the last few days that maybe there could be some corporate development in IIFL Finance as well. So that's the third stock. The last one is First Source. Stock ended 8% lower yesterday and on very large volume. So there was a bit of a puzzle on what went wrong. Looks like there was a forced selling from one of the PMS investors that got sold yesterday. In fact, this month the stock is down almost 17%. So clearly there has been selling pressure from the PMS side. My sense is that large part of the selling got over, and that's where the stock was up. It was down 7% yesterday.
All right, Nimesh, interesting names as always. Thank you very much for that. We'll take a quick commercial break here. On the other side, we get you short-term trading ideas with our technical experts.